Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter BIOS settings on the Lenovo Legion laptop. To do this, we'll need to open our start, then head on to the settings, find system and scroll down. Here's recovery, click on that, and now we want to open our laptop with advanced startup, so click on that reset button right now. Right here, when we're at advanced startup, sorry it's in Polish, but you can just follow the buttons that I'm pressing. So we want to go for fix problems right here, this button, then advanced options, and here open your system with UEFI and click on that, restart your PC, and it should open with BIOS. Here we have it. Now, in case you want to open a BIOS but you don't have access to your Windows, then I recommend to watch our video on how to do that, how to open BIOS without a PC running. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.